Most people think that day trading is all about watching your screens 24/7. But here's the truth. You could make money while you sleep. It's about setting up trades that work for you even when you're offline. But here's the catch. It's not about luck or gambling. And just like this morning, I hit a big win without even flicking a finger. And here's how I did it. Step 1, pre-market preparation. All right, so first thing we're looking at the chart, we're gonna have this daily impulse right here and a nice retracement. Remember the strategy, all one color. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put the fib on here as the strategy notates. Then we go ahead and go to the 4 hour. Now, soon as you get to the 4 hour, you know that you're looking for one thing. You're looking for the break of the 61, which is identified right here. Let me make this thing a little bit cleaner. All right, so here is the 61. So once we get the break, we're looking for the retest and then up to the -27. All right. So this is exactly how our setup is going to be. But if we put our risk to reward exactly like this, we're not going to get a good 1 to 3. Right? So remember, you only adjust one thing, and that's the entry. So we go ahead and adjust the entry a little bit low just to make sure that we get our 1 to 3. You can go ahead and remove that. That was just for visual. As you see, once price closed above, you set your buy limit and boom, price immediately got you in the trade here as identified, and then on the way to our take profit. Just with small efforts, you get big rewards with a smart system, and you get consistent profits. You can't beat that. You ready to start making money in your sleep? Drop a comment below and I'll show you exactly how it's done. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing trading tips.